Okay, so sometimes new phones come out and people are basically like, oh, it's the same as last year. It's basically last year's phone with a new name, nothing changed. And that's mostly exaggeration. There are a few things usually that are at least worth talking about. But with this phone, I can honestly say there is nothing dramatically new about the S25s. So welcome to your first look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, plus my take on what's going on with Samsung right now. So right off rip, very familiar on the outside, right? With the standard phones, without the new colors, I honestly don't think I could tell the difference between this and last year. Same 6.2 inch and 6.7 inch sizes, same flat sides, same cold design. If you really want to get into the weeds about it, they moved the 5G antenna to the other side, up at the top there. So that's your tell that you're holding the new model. But really all the changes are gonna be on the inside. It's rocking the new Snapdragon 8 Elite 4 Galaxy chip with a slightly upgraded vapor chamber and 12 gigs of base RAM across the board now. And then the Ultra, so the Ultra actually did get a little bit of a cosmetic update. Can you tell the difference? Just kidding, this is the S24 Ultra. This is the S25 Ultra. Now can you tell what they did? Same battery size, same port and button layout, but this time the sides are just a bit more squared off and rectangular, and the rings around the camera bumps are all a bit bigger. So the bezels are a little bit smaller on the front, about 15% smaller, so there you go, a little more screen. That counts as a design update, I guess. But internally, Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy again,